Hello and welcome back to Music Mitra. This is Bindu Nair here. Many students, when they start learning music, they are not sure how to use the Shruti box. Today there are a lot of apps that are available in your mobile phones which can be used as a Shruti instrument, like a drone instrument. But at the same time, traditionally we use the tanpura or a Shruti box. Now, tanpura is something which requires a lot of skill to tune it, to play it. That is not everyone's cup of tea. So you need to be slowly trained with a tanpura. Over a time you will learn how to tune it and how to play it, etc. In today's times, very few people have access to tanpura. So what do we use normally is a Shruti box. This is how a Shruti box looks like. This is a Shruti box. So I just wanted to give a tutorial today on how to use the Shruti box, how to understand all the keys that are there on the Shruti box. So let us quickly get into the details of a Shruti box. The Shruti box I am using here is the Radl Mastro, and this is one with 2 speakers, so this gives very good volume and you can use it even for stage concerts, etc. If you are at home using it just for your practice, you can buy a smaller one which is called Mini. They have a lot of mini models in Radl. So of course there are different other companies also who are making. I just mentioned Radl here because that is the Shruti box that I have been using right from beginning. And this Shruti box, I'll tell you, it's about 12 to 13 years old and it's still going strong. Nothing has happened to it. So I would highly recommend this Shruti box. So now let's get into understanding the keys or the buttons on the Shruti box. Now this is how the top part looks like. First and foremost, we have this, which is the start. So this is how you start, and then you have the volume button. I can reduce the volume and increase the volume, right? Then there is tone. Tone is again, you can increase the tone and you can decrease the tone. That's not very relevant for a music student. It's okay. Just fine tuning it a bit. Then the main thing we work on is the pitch here. Okay, this is the pitch. Now pitch style, can you see? So here, this is a dual style because it is given as a dual style in this particular. You can have the normal one also. So this is where we change. Now can you see, now it is set to G. I am using the Shruti G. Now if I want to go higher, I press the higher one. Now it's gone to G sharp. Again if I press, it is gone to A. If I press again, it goes to A sharp, etc. And then here I can reduce it back to G. So these are up and down for pitch. This is because it's a dual tanpura. I have 2 speakers, so this is going in the dual mode. Now it goes into single, and then I can go to dual also. That's the thing for that button. Then here, the very important, there is a fine tuning. Here you can fine tune. If you are not this thing, you can increase the tempo. Now it's gone to temp. T means tempo. So I can increase the tempo here. Okay, you can increase the speed, etc. And then I bring back. Now it's gone back to G. So this is how you use it. Now this is for auto saving. Whatever you are using, you can auto save it. Now another very important button, many people get confused, is this. pa, ma, ni of pa memory. What is that? So when sa, pa, so the normal default setting is pa. So can you see sa, pa is what we are singing. So here it is, can you see it is on pa? You can see that it is showing as pa. Whereas if I change to, it has gone to ma. So the second note, second string becomes ma. So it is, this is called madhyama shruti, where in certain songs where the higher notes are not used, we use something known as madhyama shruti for such ragas. For example, Kurinji. Sita Kalyana Vaibhogame, sung in madhyama shruti. So that is why that button is for that. Now if I press it one more time, it will go to ni. Ni. So there are very rare ragas where you will be using the nishadam also as a second string when we are using the tambura. But they are not very commonly used, so you don't have to worry. So the two main things you have to worry about is setting it to pa, which is our default for most of the sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. So sa was the, sa pa sa is now in pa. Pa is the next string. So this is how you would use a tambura. Nothing to be scared about it. Many students find it very difficult in the beginning to understand what is happening with the Shruti box. So that is why I thought I will do a quick tutorial about using the Shruti box, and I hope you will use it every day and practice every day. It's very important to use a Shruti box while practicing. Do not ever sing without using Shruti. That is a number one point all music students should take care while they practice. Always have the Shruti in the background when you practice. So I hope this tutorial about using a Shruti box in the right way was of help to you. Keep in touch, stay subscribed, and I will see you soon with another video which will be of use to Carnatic music students. So see you soon. Until then, bye.